Hey, what up guys, today I'm gonna be talking about whether the Metro UI that we saw in Windows 8 is gonna be the future for Mac OS X. Now that is a very difficult question because it really depends on what the engineers wanna do with it and where they wanna take it. So really all the things I'm gonna mention in this video are predictions and are based entirely on facts or just me guessing. Now, are they gonna do it or not? Well, that depends on where is the majority of people. If the majority of people wants to stay with the layout they know and have already, then that's where they're gonna go. They're just gonna improve on that. If the majority of people want something new and something fresh, then that's where they're gonna go. Now, does the majority of people want something new and fresh? Well, I believe so. And if you look at the reviews for Windows 8, you will see that almost all of them are positive, and as more and more people become familiar with it, more and more people like it. Okay, so people like how Windows 8 works. People also like how iOS works. Of course, there are a lot of things people don't like. There's almost no customization, but if you just look at how it operates, well, or actually we can compare Windows 8 with iOS. Well, what is Windows 8's desktop like? It's nothing but a row of apps. What is iOS's desktop like? It's nothing but a row of apps. Now, how does Windows 8 operate? Well, the apps scale up to the full screen. How does iOS apps operate? Well, they scale up to full screen. Now, of course, Windows 8 is gonna be used on bigger devices, so you can also share screen. You can have two apps opened at the same time, unlike iOS where there's only one screen. Of course, you can multitask between applications in both operating systems, but as you take a look at your screen, it's only one application. In Windows 8 it is two applications, but both of them take full screen. What I mean by full screen is one application will just take full screen but only one part of it, and another application will take a smaller part but it's still full screen. What I mean is there's nothing on the bottom. So if we bring that to Mac OS X, you have your dock at the bottom and you have your bar at the top. On Windows 8, there's nothing on the bottom or at the top, there's just full screen. That's what I mean by that. And as you look deeper into Mac OS X, there are few hints that might be just the future for it. Because when you look at Launchpad, again, that's a desktop with nothing but apps. Also with Mountain Lion and I believe even Lion, they introduced full screen where again there's no dock at the bottom or menu bar at the top. So if we already operate like that, if we already have Launchpad with nothing but apps and apps that take full screen, well, why not just make that the full operating system? Why do we need to have our desktop really in first place? Well, what do you do with your desktop? You have some maybe applications, maybe some folders or images, but that would be very easy to get rid of that because you already have in your Finder folders for your documents, your pictures, whatever you might find on your desktop. You have a folder for it in your Finder. So I think the transition from the desktop we have to the desktop in Windows 8 will be very easy because everything you do with your desktop you can just as well do with Metro UI. Again, everything you sort on your desktop can be sorted in folders in Finder, and then apps already take full screen, so you can have maybe sharing of apps like you do in Windows 8. So basically, yeah, I think our desktops are kind of unnecessary. I would still like to work with the layout I have right now more than with the layout on Windows 8 just because I'm used to it, and it will be quicker for me. But as again, if Mac OS X goes into Metro UI and as people get to know it, I think they will like it even more. So is it the future? The simple answer is it might just be. We don't know. I'm giving it a timeline of at least 1 or 2 years that will be safe. I don't know, maybe 3 years from now Mac OS X will go into Metro UI. But that's just been my thoughts. Give me yours down in the comments below. Other than that, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. But this just been my thoughts. Give me yours down in the comments below. Other than that, thank you for watching. But it's just been my thoughts. Give me yours down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and other than that,